Hello, beautiful soul. Welcome to this sacred space of stillness and peace. A place where you don't need to do anything. Where everything can finally be released and left behind. Take a deep breath in and let it all go. Let your body find its place of comfort. Let the day fade away like a distant memory. This is your time now, a time to soften, to rest, to return home to yourself. Gently close your eyes. Feel the rhythm of your breath, like gentle waves touching the shore. Soft, steady, endless. Inhale peace and exhale everything else. With each breath, you drift a little deeper. Your body lighter, your mind quieter, your heart still and open. Now bring your awareness to the base of your spine. A warm red glow shines softly there. This is your root chakra, the center of safety and belonging. Breathe gently and repeat within your heart, Lam, Lam, Lam. Feel yourself grounding deeply into the earth, anchored, safe and supported. You are home. An angel appears beside you now, wings shimmering in the moonlight. You feel a wave of calm move through you. You are protected. You are safe. Bring your awareness to your lower belly, the sacral chakra, the flow of emotion, creativity and joy. Breathe softly into this space. Let it melt and open, and repeat quietly, Vam, Vam, Vam. Feel warm healing waters flowing through you, releasing, soothing, purifying. Another angel comes close, holding a silver chalice of light. They pour this radiance over you. Your nervous system softens. Your breath slows. Your heart opens to peace. Now move your attention to your belly, your solar plexus, the golden flame of your inner power. See a light flicker there, bright but calm. Whisper to yourself, Ram, Ram, Ram. You are strong. You are radiant. You are enough. Feel angelic wings wrapping around you, warm and bright, holding you like a loving embrace. Bring your awareness to your heart, the Anahata chakra, the space of love and compassion. A soft green light glows here. Repeat silently, Yum, Yum, Yum. You are love. You are loved. You are never alone. Now bring your attention to your throat, the space of truth and expression. Let it open like the sky at dawn. And repeat softly, Hum, Hum, Hum. Feel clarity. Feel freedom. Feel truth flowing through you. Now move upward to your third eye and the crown above your head. A violet light shines gently here, the bridge to your higher self. And repeat silently, Hum, Hum, Hum. You are connected. You are guided. You are light. And now, the angels gather around you, their wings brushing the air, their voices soft like starlight. They wrap you in their gentle presence, and you begin to float, drifting into peaceful sleep. You are safe. You are whole. You are home. Let the night hold you now. Let go completely. Sleep deeply. Sleep peacefully. Sleep surrounded by love. Om Shanti, Shanti, Shanti.